Hello, everyone, welcome back to Machines Visit. But before we start, let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about how something as ordinary as red beets could hide a surprisingly intense story? Behind it, every single year, more than 704 million pounds of red beets are harvested across the U.S., yeah? That number sounds almost unbelievable, doesn't it, in today's video? We're going to uncover what really happens behind the scenes, from carefully maintained fields to highly advanced processing factories. The journey is far more complex than most people realize. Modern technology has completely transformed how American farmers grow, harvest, and process red beets, sometimes in ways that spark debate about tradition versus automation. So stay with me, because by the end you might never look at this simple vegetable the same way again. Let's dive in. Red beet farming. Red beets are no small player in American agriculture. They quietly support both food markets and industrial production. Yet very few people actually understand their importance. These nutrient-packed roots are heavily cultivated in states like California, Arizona, and Colorado, where climate conditions and soil quality create near-perfect growing environments. But here's the interesting part. Every red beet story starts long before harvest, and the preparation phase can make or break the entire season. In these massive fields, soil preparation is absolutely critical. Specialized tilling machines begin by crushing leftover crop residue from a previous harvest, clearing the surface, and setting the stage for the next crop. After that, deep plowing equipment with razor-sharp blades turns the soil, loosening compacted layers, improving moisture retention, and building the fertile base. These crops depend on finely high-precision leveling. Machines smooth out the land, ensuring irrigation and seeding can happen with maximum efficiency. It sounds routine, but even small mistakes here can cost farmers thousands. Once the land is ready, farmers rely on automated seeders designed for extreme precision. These machines distribute seeds evenly and plant them at exactly the right depth, while simultaneously delivering fertilizer and controlled irrigation, giving young plants a powerful head start from day one. However, growing red beets doesn't end at planting. They require constant attention. Consistent watering is essential, which is why pivot irrigation systems with rotating arms are widely used, delivering uniform moisture across entire fields. Pesticide spraying is another critical step. Modern automated sprayers complete the job quickly and accurately. And yes, some farms even use aircraft for large-scale applications, a method that continues to generate discussion about efficiency versus environmental concerns. Red beet harvesting. Typically, red beets need about 60 to 70 days to mature from seed to harvest. Timing is everything. Farmers wait until the roots reach the ideal size, deep red color, and internal quality before making their move. Harvesting usually happens on dry days, because wet soil can slow machinery and damage crops across large American farms. The entire harvesting process has become heavily mechanized, almost like a carefully choreographed operation. First, a specialized topper moves along the rows, trimming the leafy greens with impressive precision, leaving the roots untouched beneath the soil. Those cut leaves aren't wasted, they're shredded and returned to the field, acting as natural fertilizer, helping maintain long-term soil health. Next comes the lifting phase. Specialized harvesters gently pull the beets from the ground using automated gripping systems designed to prevent bruising. Excess soil is removed through shaking mechanisms or controlled airflow before the clean beets transfer onto conveyor belts that load them into large truck containers, moving beside the equipment. It's a synchronized process that looks more like an industrial assembly line than traditional farming. Many newer farms now rely on multifunctional harvesters capable of trimming leaves, lifting roots, and performing preliminary cleaning, all in one continuous operation. These machines even monitor storage and weight automatically, redirecting produce once capacity is reached, keeping everything running without interruption. Modern machinery has undeniably changed the game. Farmers save time, reduce labor demands, and maintain consistent crop quality. Yet there's also a growing conversation about whether increasing automation distances people from traditional farming knowledge. Still, there's no denying the efficiency gains. The integration of trimming, lifting, and cleaning steps makes harvesting faster, more precise, and far less wasteful. Sustainability benefits too, with improved soil management and reduced losses. The real question, though, is how far this technological shift will go. Let's take a closer look and listen to these machines in action. Red beet processing. Once harvested, trucks carrying fresh red beets head toward collection centers where crops are consolidated before processing. This step may seem simple, but it plays a critical role, preventing factory overload, maintaining workflow stability, and preserving freshness. Proper handling here reduces damage, and ensures the beets remain in optimal condition for the next phase. From these centers, the beets continue their journey into processing plants where things become even more controlled, and technical facilities follow strict procedures designed to guarantee quality. Before products reach consumers, conveyor belts transport the beets, while dust and soil are gently removed. Then workers perform manual sorting, selecting only the best specimens for further processing. After sorting, the beets undergo intensive washing using high-pressure water jets, removing every remaining impurity. Clean beets are then directed toward automated packaging systems, where they're placed into breathable mesh bags as airflow helps maintain freshness, while preserving their rich natural color. Another increasingly popular option involves peeling and vacuum packing the beets directly for consumer convenience. This approach dramatically reduces preparation time for households and food businesses while maintaining product safety. Vacuum-sealed red beets offer several notable advantages. The process locks in freshness, preserves their vibrant color, and protects valuable nutrients like vitamin C and folate. Extended shelf life without artificial preservatives makes them appealing for modern consumers who prioritize both convenience and health standards. Food safety regulations ensure reliability, making these products widely trusted across markets. Interestingly, some industry insiders believe ready-to-use vegetable products like these could reshape future consumption habits, shifting demand away from traditional raw produce. Whether that prediction proves true remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: the humble red beet has evolved far beyond its simple farm origins. Peeled and vacuum-packed red beets continue gaining popularity because they combine efficiency, nutrition, and practicality. The preserved freshness, vibrant appearance, retained nutrients, and extended usability make them a dependable option for households, restaurants, and large-scale food processors alike. And as technology keeps advancing, the story of red beets is clearly still being written. Additionally, red beets don't just end up fresh or vacuum-packed. Many are transformed into salted varieties, a process that sounds simple but requires remarkable precision. The beets are carefully sliced or prepared before being immersed in a controlled blend of high-quality brine. This isn't random seasoning. It's a tightly monitored system designed to ensure uniform flavor, protect that deep red color, and meet strict hygiene regulations. The result is a premium product ready for large-scale distribution. Production line for salted beet products operates with state-of-the-art machinery built for accuracy, speed, and consistency. But just when you think the beet story ends here, there's another chapter even more surprising. Let's step into the world of sugar beet. Sugar beet processing. While the journey of red beet from harvest to packaging highlights its culinary flexibility, the story of sugar beet takes us somewhere entirely different, into the world of sweetness. These rough, muddy roots are transformed into one of the most essential ingredients found in nearly every kitchen. This is where ordinary fields quietly fuel a global sugar supply. Unlike red beet, sugar beets require patience, typically taking 7 to 8 months to fully mature. When harvest season finally arrives, American farmers rely on powerful modern machinery engineered for speed and precision. The massive fields suddenly come alive with specialized harvesters designed specifically to extract sugar beets efficiently while protecting their internal sugar content. The process begins as machines enter the mature fields, equipped with controlled cutting systems that dig deep into the soil, separating roots cleanly from ground without damaging them or the surrounding soil structure. Once lifted, the beets move on conveyor belts that carry them toward cleaning units. In many operations, harvesting happens in 2 coordinated stages. First, a large topper machine moves across the field, removing the thick foliage from the sugar beets, separating leaves from roots, and preparing them for extraction. Next, a second harvester follows, equipped with lifting mechanisms that gently pull the beets from the earth. The roots travel along conveyors where preliminary cleaning removes soil and debris before being loaded into trucks waiting nearby. This synchronized approach ensures efficiency while preserving the crop's quality before it even reaches a factory. Sugar beet factory. Once consolidated, the next transformation happens inside the processing facility. This is where a carefully controlled closed-loop system converts muddy raw beets into refined sugar crystals, the kind used daily in homes and industries around the world. Advanced technology and precise monitoring dominate every step, ensuring maximum efficiency and uncompromising quality. The process begins with intensive cleaning. Sugar beets are transported by conveyor into automated washing systems. Powerful water jets, rotating drums, and moving channels remove dirt, stones, and lingering impurities, preparing the beets for slicing. Then comes one of the most critical stages modern slicing machines cut the beets into thin strips known as cassettes. These strips dramatically increase surface area, making sugar extraction far more efficient. The cassettes are transferred into large extraction tanks where water heated to about 70 degrees Celsius circulates through them, dissolving the natural sucrose stored inside the plant cells. The result is a raw, sugar-rich juice that moves on to refining. This liquid enters evaporation towers, where excess water is carefully removed. Increasing sugar concentration vacuum technology is often used here to lower boiling temperatures, protecting sugar quality and preventing degradation. Once the syrup reaches optimal concentration, it flows into crystallizers where tiny seed crystals are introduced, triggering controlled crystal growth. This is the moment when liquid sweetness begins turning solid. After crystallization, the sugar crystals are still coated in molasses, giving them a golden tone. They are transferred into high-speed centrifuges that spin rapidly, separating molasses from pure sugar crystals. The molasses doesn't go to waste. It becomes a valuable raw material for other industries, while the sugar crystals advance to drying systems. Drying equipment circulates hot air, evenly ensuring every crystal meets strict standards for moisture content and purity. Once dried, the sugar moves to automated packaging lines. Depending on market demand, it may be sealed into small household bags or loaded into large industrial sacks for manufacturers. In some cases, liquid sugar products, such as syrups, follow specialized bottling lines where each container is filled, sealed, and inspected for safety before distribution. And here's the twist. Most people never consider both red beets and sugar beets may look humble in the soil, but together they support two entirely different supply chains, one feeding health-conscious consumers, the other powering global sweetness industries. And both rely heavily on the same silent force, advanced agricultural technology. Conclusion. And that concludes a remarkable journey of two very different beets, from nutrient-rich vegetables to refined sugar crystals hidden inside everyday products. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found this story surprising, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.